I'm on the construction site today. I'll show you around. This is garage remodeling. Pretty much if you never did the garage remodeling, you would probably see that there are crazy prices from contractors. This is, let me show you around, 2-bed, 1-bathroom garage. It's going to be a bathroom here, 1 bedroom here, very small bedroom, kitchen and living room here, and then there is another living room there inside. It was already existing structure. Pretty much lowest bid I got from the general contractors for this construction was somewhere around 100,000. During this construction, I figured out that there are 2 ways to do it. Either you have to have a very good general contractor, which I decided to become one myself, specifically specializing on ADUs in future. Either you have to have a company that will do that, and a very good company, a reliable company, which I decided to do myself in future, or you have to do it yourself. Pretty much the difference will be twice of what the contractor would be charging you normally if you would find the right people. The other thing that I wanted to talk about in this construction is that we are still renting the main house. So in case if you have a property that has some construction going on, of course you have to have a liability insurance and everything, but the main house is not touchable and we're renting it, and it actually covers its mortgage. That's the thing that I wanted to show you guys. But this is a stage where we've done the plumbing. Let me show you around. Pretty much nothing special. I went with a certified plumber because I wanted plumbing to be up to code. We do everything with permits. I was told that the permits from county is a little easier too, but it's not, honestly, because they send every time different people. I would advise to double check on that before you start any project. As you can see, we just tested the water, going to be covering it today or tomorrow. Pretty much that's the stage we're in right now.